My name is Janelle Scott. I am a member of ActorPlaybook, and I credit ActorPlaybook and all the information, and especially Jamie, with a lot of the success I've had in a very short period of time. I devoured the information. I told Jamie just through email, I just emailed her and said, you need to put more stuff up there. I'm devouring all of this. Not that she has to provide everything all the time, but she is amazing. Not just the focus. So the focus, we are given a task, a focus to work on for that month, and we do a self-tape using the materials provided and submit it to Jamie, and she gets back to us with a critique, a very constructive critique. She's always really nice about everything, and then gives us the opportunity to do it again, or to do it in a different way, or just provide more options. And it has been incredible being able to email back and forth with her, and she always responds really quickly, and not just for the focus. I had a self-tape audition I had to do, and the instructions were really confusing to me. Maybe not to somebody who's been in the industry for a while, but they were confusing. So I just quickly emailed Jamie, and she got back to me pretty quickly and explained what I needed to know, and I was able to submit it and in time. But I don't know that I would, I know that I wouldn't have the success that I've had. I'm actually going to make money this month. How? And Jamie's website, ActorPlaybook, has so much information and interviews with industry professionals, and she talks about her own experiences and gives you tips and tools on how to access your creative side, and it's just amazing. And I can't say enough good things about Jamie and this website. I think Actor's Playbook is wonderful for actors of any age looking to get an edge in the industry. I couldn't have done it without her.